What is up, guys? Jalen the Creator here, and today for you guys, I bring to you my Star Wars Rogue One C2B5 droid. Now, this specific product is from the Pop Company. Um, I did get this specific one and two others from Rogue One Pop figures for Christmas, which I really do appreciate. I will do other reviews on those soon or later. But for now, let's get into this. So to start off, each pop figure, in this case Rogue One, or Star Wars in general, that I've seen, they get their own little background piece. In this case, this one is the First Order logo from The Force Awakens. It's red and a little reddish black. So that's that, and on the back there's just regular cardboard. So yeah, you can put that behind your figures. And here, let's move this up. So all pop figures are basically bobbleheads. Like so. This specific one can't go down on its legs. There's no button here, I'm just pushing it down. Alright, so not that any pop figures I've seen have any accessories or like secret buttons that you can press and something like jumps out. Like I was saying before this, I thought it was a button and like one of these panels opens like it usually does in the movies. But it actually doesn't. You can't play around with these. These are solid. Same with this one. Everything's solid. Same with the hand. Everything's solid. Like I said before. Now you can actually take these figures off of their stand. Like this. And here you just have your normal original Star Wars stand. So that's that. And you have these little pieces right here, stud pieces type things that connects to the figure on these holes right here. There it is. These holes. And they go right on there. And you push them all the way down and they stick there. Alright, so here's the figure. Whoops. Get back up. Alright, there you go. So here's the figure without the stand. I will do a 360 view. Give me 1 second. Oops, sorry guys. It's 1, 2, 3. Trying to adjust my lamp so I can get the most light possible in here for you guys. Trying to adjust this. Alright. Hold on. Fix this. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna do this on the stand. If I can find the holes, that is. There it is. Here's one, and then there's two. Right here is you guys' 360 view. Here's your guys' 360 view. Now this figure is very detailed. I'm actually surprised how detailed it is. You actually can feel all the details and stuff. It's pretty cool. I think Pop did an excellent job with this figure, as always. They do with all their other figures. Top view. And bottom view. Not important, but yeah. Um, I do recommend getting this Pop. And all the other Rogue Ones. I will do a video on them soon. But if you guys did enjoy, be sure to drop the video a like. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Be sure to share also with friends and family. People you know, people you don't know. You can contact me at my Gmail. Check out my other channel. Everything's in the description below. I'll put down there. And be sure to comment down below and let me know if you like this video. And, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and, see you guys in the next one.